Hello everyone once again. Today we learn fruit's name. Let's go without any delay.
My name is Apple. My name is Banana. My name is Mango. My name is Pear. Now, tell me, where is Pear?
Yes, you are right.
Now, tell me, where is Mango?
Yes, you are right.
Now, tell me, where is Banana?
Yes, you are right.
Now, tell me, where is Apple?
Yes, you are right.
My name is Grapes. My name is Pineapple. My name is Kiwi.
My name is Watermelon. Now tell me, where is Pineapple? Yes, you are right. Now tell me, where is Kiwi? Yes, you are right. Now tell me, where is Grapes? Yes, you are right. Now tell me, where is Watermelon? Yes, you are right. Hey guys, hope you liked the video. Please press like button, share, comment and subscribe. Don't forget to press bell icon for new updates.